In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your font size on Microsoft OneDrive application. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribing. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I'll go ahead and open up OneDrive and you can see what the font size is currently set to. Alright, so it is currently set to this. So in order to make this larger and easier to read, what we can do is go back and then click into our settings app. Once we're inside settings, navigate lower and find display. Once you've found it, click onto display and again scroll down lower and look for font size and style. Click into it, and at the bottom of the page here of font size and style, you will see a slider, and if I move this slider to the right hand side, it's going to increase the font size, and likewise if I go to the left, it's going to decrease the font size. So I suggest leaving it near the right hand side. You can have a play around with this slider to choose what font size you want it to set up. And now from here, go back to OneDrive and it should be changed accordingly. So as you can see, the font size is a lot larger and easier to read.